Did you know that a drone can collect thousands of images, but still produce inaccurate maps if its position is wrong? For many drone surveys, standard GPS can introduce errors of several meters. That may sound small, but on construction sites, mining operations, and engineering projects, a few meters can make a huge difference. This is where RTK GNSS changes everything. RTK stands for Real-Time Kinematic Positioning. Instead of relying only on satellite signals, the drone receives correction data from a nearby reference station or a regional Core S network. These corrections eliminate most satellite and atmospheric errors in real time. As a result, positioning accuracy improves from several meters to just a few centimeters. Every aerial image is tagged with highly accurate coordinates. This allows photogrammetry software to align images correctly and generate precise orthophotos, digital terrain models, and 3D digital twins. Today, RTK-enabled drones are transforming construction monitoring, mining, agriculture, infrastructure inspection, and environmental mapping. Without RTK, a drone takes pictures. With RTK, a drone becomes a precision measurement instrument, and that is how modern drone mapping achieves centimeter-level accuracy.